I picked up a 1984 Honda ATC 110 recently. It wasn't running, but the previous owner had taken good care of it and suspected it just needed a carburetor cleaning. So we went through and some plugged up jets, obviously an older machine. After we got the carburetor cleaned, it fired right up.
And it does.
The rear axle had some play that's usually indicative of bad wheel bearings, and with the age of the ATV, I just assumed that was the case. So I figured better take it apart and put some new axle bearings in. However, after I got it apart, I found that the bearings were basically new. Previous owner had done the brakes, but he'd also done the bearings at the same time, so we just put it back together. It turned out the loose axle was related to the axle nut, just had not gotten tight enough. Tightened her up and she's good as new. Finally, the seat had a pretty good tear in it. It was old vinyl, so I got some new vinyl off Amazon and just replaced that. Really improved the look of the machine. Overall, this machine's been great at our house. Most of our trails are kind of tighter, single track. We don't have a lot of wood, so we don't want to punch out giant trails. But this little three-wheeler fits basically everywhere the dirt bikes go. The kids really like it. It's comfortable. We can put the three of us on it. It is a three-wheeler, right? And in the mud, it doesn't make too big of ruts. It kind of has great flotations, not rutting up the trails when it's too wet to ride the dirt bikes out there. Great for riding through the water and just kind of beating on. I also plan to use this to roll the yard and do some other maintenance around the house. But mostly, it's for fun.